right, boys and girls, so for Tuesday's math, we are still in chapter 14 in our Envision's math book. We are on lesson 14-2. Now, 14-2 starts on page 753, and you'll see a picture if you look in your book of a whole bunch of shapes. They're different colors, different sizes. I did my best to kind of draw them on my board here. Now, I want to ask you a question. Are all of these figures, all 5 of them, are they all the same shape? What do you think? Are they all the same kind of shape? I see some big ones. I see little ones. I see purple ones. I see green ones. What do you think? Are they all the same kind of shape? I think the answer is yes, because even though some are big, some are small, they all have 3 sides. Look at that, all of them. They all have 1, 2, 3 vertices. Remember, vertices is the fancy word for corner, where 2 sides meet. So here's a vertice. Here's a vertice, here's a vertice. All of these corners are called vertices. So my answer, I would say, yep, even though some are big, some are little, some are this way, some are that way, some are flippy-flopped, some are different colors, they are all the same kind of shape. They are a triangle. 3 sides, 3 vertices. So for today, it talks even more about looking at different figures and thinking, okay, is this the same kind of shape? Are these the same? On the top of page 754, it shows you some rectangles, and they want to know if they're the same kind of shape. It says shapes are defined by the number of straight sides and vertices and whether or not they are closed. Shapes are not defined by color, so it doesn't matter that some are green, some are purple. And shapes are not defined by the size, if some are big or little, or the position, if they're this way, if they're this way, if they're on their head. So, no matter what that is, if they have the same number of sides and the same number of vertices and they're all closed, then yes, they're the same shape. So for today's lesson, you guys are going to do page 754 and 755. So they give you some shapes, and they want you to tell what's true. The first one says all squares are blue. Do all squares have to be blue? I don't think so. All squares have 4 equal sides. I think we remember learning that yesterday. All squares are closed shapes. Yep, remember they have to be closed. And all squares are small. I don't think all squares are small, right? There can be big squares, little squares, medium squares. So you're going to circle what is true about each shape. And then on the bottom of page 755, it gives you a shape that looks, let's see, I'll erase this. It looks like this. And it asks you if that is a triangle. Why or why not? So tell me if that's a triangle. And if you say no, tell me why it's not. And if you say yes, tell me why you think it is. So make sure you do page 754 and 755 today. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.